Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I'm going to do 4 more coasters. The flower shaped new one that has the ridge around it that you can set your drink down into the coaster, and it has a rim, which is, I really like that feature for this shape. And today I've mixed 8 ounces, which I've been letting sit for over 20 minutes. I'm waiting for it to get over 100 degrees before I use it, and we are only at 89. So I've used J Diction, and this is the regular epoxy resin from Amazon, made for coaster molds and that kind of thing. I'm going to use Octopus Fluid Resin Ink, Enzian, and olive oil. For the white mixture, I'm going to use a little over an ounce of resin, and I'm going to use Cast and Craft pigment paste, about 10 drops into that. Put it into a piping bag and then do the piping. Basically, I'm just waiting on my resin to warm up to a certain temperature. I used my Resiners mixer. All the things that I use in this video will be below the video in my links. I use the Resiners dual-headed mixer to mix my resin, and then I still use a stick when I'm finished and go around all the edges and make sure it's thoroughly mixed in. After mixing, then I stop my timer and I start it back at 0 and count up, paying attention to the timing, because if you have really successful coasters, you always want to be able to refer back to how you did it, right? I'll be piping in the white in the first layer, and then the second layer I'll repeat it and possibly do a different color in the background, or just put the white balloon in the background. You'll see as I go. So it's around 95 degrees. We're getting there. I'll come back when it's ready, and I'll have my mask on, so I won't be able to talk, but I'll be back. One more thing I wanted to remind you, this is a Resiners curing machine, and it's a tray that's pretty weighted, and it holds 4 smaller coasters. If they're 5 inches, it will not hold 4. You can only put 2 to 3 in and stagger it if you do 3. You can do taller molds. It's a rounded dome thing, and you press a button for power, and it's 2 hours. It also cures UV resin. So this is a tray, and I've got it leveled so that I don't have to move anything, and I can just put my cover on it, turn the power on, and leave it for 2 hours, and it worked really great when I tried it yesterday for the first time. Okay, it's been almost 30 minutes, and I'm just now getting ready to put it into the molds and make my white paste. You want it to be at least 100 degrees. I'm going to put my mask on, and I'll be back. I've mixed 8 more ounces. I'm going to mix up an ounce of the white. I'm going to use Smurf on the for the ink by Octopus Fluids. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I cured it for 2.5 hours, and now it's time to unmold. Very pretty. Wow. Ooh, I love it. That is so pretty. That one, the white didn't come through as much. Or this one, interesting. There's the edges so you can see what they look like. So, the first layer was 8 ounces, the second layer was 6 ounces, I believe, to fill up the mold. So you'll know for reference for how much resin to use to fill it up. And that's with 2 layers. And that, I just love, love, love these. And it's kind of neat because they have that dimensional feel. So I hope you learned something in this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and comment and tell me what you think or what color combinations you'd like to see next. And I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Love you all.